Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. This is simple Pomodoro timer for focus. So download this application. It will be available on the Google Play Store. And once you have downloaded it, of course, just simply open it up. And right away, you should be able to have the application homepage. And you can just simply tap on the time to adjust it, as you can see over here. And now let's say I'm gonna focus for 5 minutes and tap on it and start to focus. And from here, guys, in order for this to work, you have to ensure the application is running on the background. So I'm gonna go for the application over here and go for the app info. Here, tap on battery and make sure to allow the background activity. And next thing, you have to ignore battery optimization. So I'm gonna go for the notification panel and turn off the power mode over here. And now, once you have turned off your battery saver and start to focus, and the application will work as you can see. Now over here, you will have the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen, and you can switch to full screen automatically after starting the timer. And now, as you can see, it is a very simple timer that is very aesthetic as well. And if you want to stop, of course, just simply pause it and stop it. And you will have here multiple categories down below, like strict mode, and you could lock the phone, or you could go for timer mode, or you could go for full screen or with white noise over here. But that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.